Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on this 2017 Skoda Fabia. Now this one's been done already, so I can't show you it on the dash there at the minute, but it was saying oil service and inspection. Now all you need to do is turn the ignition off, press and hold this button while turning the ignition on. If you just wait, you'll get a message come up. Release the button, press the button again, and it'll say service interval reset, and press the button once more, and that'll reset it. And then if you turn the ignition off and you'll turn it back on, you'll have another message for the inspection service. Just do exactly the same procedure again, and that'll reset the inspection as well. But a nice, quick, easy reset on these. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.